Greetings and welcome to Kinesiology 112 Fall Term 2021. This presentation is a brief overview just regarding some basics and how to navigate the Blackboard shell. Every instructor has a little different content for every course, and therefore every instructor usually has, to some degree, a little different layout for each of their courses. For our course, when you look at the layout and how the course actually frames out for the semester, we run on Mondays and Wednesdays from 2 to 2:50, and the course will run from Monday, August 23rd to December 15th. We do have 2 sessions per week for this entire duration, but if you back out Labor Day, the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and the 2 classes that would normally be scheduled during finals week, you end up with 30 total sessions. And as you'll see, for our course, we do have points for each time you come in to work out. And each time you work out, it's worth 5 points. So it's easy to do the math in terms of 5 points, 30 sessions, that's 150 points. It's a pretty sizable amount of your grade. So I urge you, no matter if you have to put a hat on backwards and kind of crawl here, or if you're a little wiped out, get to class, earn your points. Got to go to class to pass. That's the only way I can describe it. Secondarily to that, if you're sick, we live in this kind of funky COVID world now, not feeling well, etc. Err on the side of caution, but send me an email. That way I'll have proof that you did reach out to me beforehand. Or even if you're too sick to actually get out of bed and you can't email me, send something to let me know to verify that in fact you were sick. No doctor's notes, nothing like that, but send me an email so we have some kind of electronic correspondence. And you'll find my information will be over in the faculty information tab over here to the left. Beyond that, you're going to see another video further on where we talk about Team Builder. Team Builder is an application that I use to deliver course content, and you'll find your username and password located here, but also the framework for the username and password will be in that video as well, specific to Team Builder. Lastly, if you have any other questions, concerns, or issues, please reach out to me at afleisch, it's down here at harpercollege.edu. My last name is actually Fleischer, but the way the university sets up email accounts, I only have so many characters in my name, so I'm A. Fleisch. Specific to how you can refer to me, Adrian is fine. I've had people call me Coach, Instructor Fleischer, Mr. Fleischer, that's totally fine. Just so you know, I'm pretty agreeable no matter what. My name is totally fine though. All right, guys. The next step for you will be to go over here and go into the syllabus and schedule for the course to be able to go over some of the nuances of how I manage the syllabi for this course. Hope you're all doing well. Look forward to seeing you. Have a great one, guys. Bye.